Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you on Cash App. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix the verification errors or issues you have on Cash App? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, we are in cashapp.com in their help. As you can see here, verify account. If you attempt to cash out, send or receive a payment using Cash App, you will be prompted to verify your account with your full name, date of birth, and address for security purposes. You must also be 18 plus to use the app. So for a lot of people, a lot of times human error is the main reason for this. Fill in the wrong full name, misspell it. Apps like this are very case sensitive. So you gotta be aware of that. Double check before you start using it. Or you could either check, maybe you need an update. Maybe there's an update. Maybe you need to restart your phone, restart your app, uninstall the app or something like that. But again, like you need, they're going to ask for your information for every transaction. So you got to provide the right one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.